Hello, friends. I was looking for a top rack with stay for my Apache 2004v BS6. Luvia had one of those, but they were bundling it with the saddle stay, and I did not want a saddle stay. So I was looking around and I found one with this shop, which is Htexhuast. It's an online site, but they sell um, in their shop in Salem, Tamil Nadu. So this is the top rack with the stays, two pipes, very good quality top rack, and um, the connector. And then I came to this check and go where I previously had my own top rack which I bought from Helmet World Trivandrum, and the chief mechanic of this shop, Dinesh, and he made a um, bracket after looking at the measurements, and then we had one welded over, and I had put my top box on that. But this time I wanted to have a bit more quality because the first one rusted and there was rust all over it, and even the top rack which I bought from Helmet World for 20,000 rupees, it also had rust in it. So this one is powder coated and very strong material used. I paid around 2,700 for this rack with the two stay pipes. Shipping was around 80 rupees. The shipping happened within a week. He promised 3 working days, but it took a little bit longer, but it came well. And the chief mechanic, Mr. Dinesh, he told me that this rack is very strong and it's very good as well. So we are fitting it. We'll have to see, if there are small changes required. So we're trying to push the seat first to see if there are any alterations needed with this bracket. See, the seat and the bracket has to be in tandem because otherwise the seat will not push inside. It will be always, there'll be hindrance. So the chief mechanic, and his assistant Tariq, he's actually trying to find out, will it fit in properly, or will they have to make some arrangements. So the chief guy, he's got the measurement um, analyzed, and he's going to just make a small alteration so that the seat will fit in properly. I think we'll have to hammer it a little bit so that there is a small portion. Yes, we'll have to hammer it. Yes, slightly on the bracket there is something which is raised up, so it's been hammered down so that the seat is going to push down properly. More hammering needed. I think a little more hammering has to be done because there's slightly a little bit wobbling with the seat. Now it should be okay. Yeah, fine. I think it's fine now. I'm very happy with the quality of this Htexhuast top rack and the bracket. I will leave a link in the description below for Tvs Apache RTR 400v buyers to get an access to this. And their pricing is fine. 3,700 is fine for the quality. And these are the two stay pipes which come with it, and it will be fitted on the foot pegs of both sides. So what the Htexhuast guy told me was that by fitting this stay, there will be a lot of support for the top rack, and how much our weight is being pushed on over a top box or in even luggage, it's going to stay strong. And even the chief mechanics of this shop, he also told me that's going to give it a lot of support. So that's something which is good. And this is my old top rack with the bracket which was made here, but there's a lot of rust. This actually lasted. I used a shared top box and another one with this on top of that. See, look at the quality, the powder coating. It's a water cut one, so it's very good. But one thing which they could have added was the width of this top rack. It's not very wide. We are having new washers on the bracket which we fit because the older washer was so thin. We have new thick washers which is going to reinforce the strength. Now once the whole job is done, it might take like fight the job they've done in check and go has been fine. They've been doing it very fast, and there's not much work to be done because this is custom made. This is custom made for TVS Apache RT 204v, and that's a very good thing. They're saying this is custom made for TVS RT 164v as well, but I'm not sure about that. But for my vehicle, which is BS6 TVS Apache RT 200v, this is an absolutely perfect custom fit. Overall, I had very good experience with check and go workshop. I'll leave a link in the description below for the workshop location as well. The mechanics have been good enough. The chief mechanic, Mr. Dinesh Shetton, has been very friendly, and he is a very good tuner for um, fuel injection vehicles, especially Royal Enfields. He's got a legacy of his own. He's got a very good history of having run check and go for more than like 30 years. So friends, yes, now the whole rack is done now. It looks nice. It's very compact. It's sleek and stylish. I love it. The final job where the underseat plastic protector has been pushed in to see the seat is going to fit in perfectly well. So it might take a little bit of finishing job, but once this is finished, the top rack is perfectly fitted, and it will work fine. So the main guy, not the main guy, the main assistant of the chief mechanic Tariq, he's tried and he's fitted perfectly well now. So now we can be at peace. We had a successful installation of the HTE top rack and stay. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.